Hi friends, now we are going to talk about how we can mass complete confirmation or mass reject or mass cancel confirmation. Okay, so I went to IW47, that's the transaction I went, and now here I'll just execute, and here I can find all these confirmations. So suppose some of these I want to confirm completion. Okay, so if I want to confirm, I can do this. Okay, so all these things can be done, and here you can see it's confirmed. If you see, the status has been confirmed. If you want to cancel, you can click on this and cancel it. So this is very useful. And if you want to know further information, here you can see this is used for cancel a completion order, for a completion confirmation, and all those things. So this is very helpful. It's like the IW38 of a PM order. It's called IW47. So that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel and happy SAP learning. And if you like it, share and subscribe to it, and have